We are given a ball that is rolling without slipping, and its center is going with a constant acceleration. We need to find the velocities of these 3 points and also acceleration of the 3 points. So the constant acceleration A means the center is traveling with velocity v, that can be written as at, right? Uniform motion. And that is all the information we need for the rolling. Because when it is rolling, velocity is the tangential velocity with respect to center is same as the velocity of the center. So if this is v, the tangential velocity, which is in yellow with respect to center, that is also v. So now you can see for the top point, the total velocity will be velocity with respect to center plus velocity of center. So that is velocity with respect to center plus velocity of center. Here velocity with respect to center plus velocity of center. Here velocity with respect to center plus velocity of center. So we can just see that net velocity at A will be 2v. Here it will be v root 2 and here it will be 0. Now acceleration is a bit trickier because center is accelerating. So if center is accelerating, that means A is equal to alpha r when it is rolling. And that A will be same as the acceleration of the center. Which means for these 3 points, so again we can write the acceleration, net acceleration for these 3 points as acceleration with respect to center plus acceleration of center. So acceleration of center is A, which we have added like this. Now with respect to center, it will have two components. One is normal, that will be simply v square by r. And one is tangential, that will be alpha r, which is also A in case of rolling. So so these are the components, all 3 components of accelerations of the 3 points. So at the top point, the tangential component of acceleration is towards right, here it's towards down, and here it's towards left. And the normal acceleration will always be towards the center. So now for top point, we can say an is v square by r. And what is v? V is at. So we can write it as a square t square by r. And at of course is a because of the rolling. So both these are components with respect to center. So to these components we add this a, which is in blue color, that is the acceleration of center itself. So for all the 3 points, we need to do the vector sum of all these 3 vectors to find the total acceleration. So in this case, it will be 2a whole square plus an whole square, and an is this. In second case, it is, so you can take it in any direction. So it will be, let's take this as the bigger one. So it will be a square an minus a whole square plus a square root of that. And here a and a will get cancelled, so only acceleration is an, and an is a square t square by r. So good conceptual question. So make sure you understand this diagram perfectly and are able to recreate it to get a complete feel of how the accelerations of any point we can define for a body which is rolling.